recording.
It's not on yet? Well, you can just click the button. Yeah. It is on and recording. All right.
Okay, do we want to take rhyme all the way down? And then next time maybe we can do like reason rhyme if we like it well enough? All right.
Rhyme and
or do you
reason,
want to take
like
reason
that.
this time? Looks a little less busy. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're gonna do reason to rhyme, huh? Yeah.
Reason to rhyme?
Yep. You know, rhyme. Well, I'll tell you when around the chair again. Yeah.
Skiing in a winter wonderland.
And then he got so mad. Onward and downward.
Onward and
downward.
Oh wait, Rahul.
Yeah?
3, 2, 1. We forgot to do that. Okay. How'd you enjoy that?
I love that. I love that. You're good.
You're good. All right. Reason is just to our left now.
I stopped focusing on form in the middle of that. I was just distracted by the scenery. It was so good.
Although, what is this trail here? I'm interested. I'm curious. Don't take this. I just want to see what it is. I don't know. I don't know.
I don't know why. It's just so funny watching you go uphill. You're good, by the way.
So are you.
Okay, great.
Well, I thought we were doing a friend quarter track. Let me go look at it.
It's a little tiring though.
Well done, sir. Well done. Shall we?
I don't know what that is though. It's whatever's next to
It looks like there used to be a sign and then it got stripped off.
yeah.
Yeah.
I just wanted to see what that trail was.
Because there wasn't a sign. The sign was like scratched out.
Oh, so what is it?
I
We
don't
don't
know.
know.
I'll have to look on the map.
Alright. Who wants to go first?
I think Rahul does.
Okay.
Alright.
Can we choo-choo train?
Yeah,
so
let's
Andrew
choo-choo
gets
train.
both of us in the shot?
Yeah, let's choo-choo train. But you gotta go a little slower then.
Okay.
Yeah, slower.
I'll do it. Ready? That was fun.
That was good.
That was fun. How were my turns? You're good, by the way.
I was watching Sophia more than you.
Okay, fair enough.
So I didn't see you much, but hopefully I have you on recording. So.
All right. You're good, by the way. Am I still
You're
blinking?
good.
All right.
And 3, 2, 1, kill it.